Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know y'all like, who is that? I'm in rare form right now because I got my natural hair out, but that's because I have a new wig for y'all. Now, hold on, before we get into this video, if y'all not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, it's okay. Go ahead and hit it. We want to see you come back because I know you want to see this wig. Okay? Now, let's get into this. So I purchased this wig from her imports, and this is how it comes. It comes in this lovely box with the details of your shipping. It comes with a wig cap, and this one is actually too dark for me, but I don't mind it. So I like that. And it comes with two of them in there. And then it comes with important, read this first instructions little tag. And that's just in that part. And it's magnetic, so if you want to keep the box, you know, that's good. And this is how the wig is in there. It comes in this little bag. It comes with a edge brush. It's like 5 o'clock here, so the sun is going down and my lighting's not really good, but it comes with this cute little wooden edge brush. It also comes with a little stock card. It's talking basically details about the wig. I'll have more of this in the description box if I need to put any of that in there. So it comes in this cute little bag, and then it comes, of course, in a hairnet. So first impressions of this wig. One good thing, it's a few good things about it. I like the fact that the dark root goes all through it, but at the same time I don't, because I don't really like dark roots, but you know, whatever, some people do. Okay. It comes with these little filler hairs. Look at that. I don't like that. I'm confused, her imports, as to why y'all need these filler hairs at the top for the amount of money that this wig cost. But whatever. The density can't be more than 150. It can't be. Look at that. Cannot be more than 150. This is a really thin wig. It does shed a little bit. Let me see. Let me run my fingers through it. But don't shed that much. But it did shed the first time I ran my fingers through it. It is a full lace wig, so you can part it anywhere you want to. That is amazing. And you can see the spots on the lace where they dyed it. That don't really bother me because ain't nobody gonna be looking in there. But it does not come with any combs, no adjustable straps, no elastic band, nothing. So sorry I had to move out the light, but I hope it fits my head, because I ain't never had a wig that didn't have nothing on the inside. So I'm gonna have to adhere this to my entire head if I get time for that, but okay. The lace is not hard, but it's not soft. I am gonna have to go ahead and get the lace straight because it's really, really light, but the hair feels really good. The hair feels really good. there's like one strand of hair, and that's because it's kind of tangled up. I'm kind of pulling through it, but other than that, I like it so far. I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna try it out. I do love the way the hair feels. I'm in love with the way the hair feels. It does look like it comes with some baby hairs. It has this smell to it. It smells like you know they cleaned it or they washed it or whatever, but it kind of smells like a cleaner. Like, if you know what I mean by that, it smells good. It don't smell like that like relaxer chemical. It don't smell like that fishy chemical. It smells like a really nice cleaner. Like, it smells really good. But I do think, let me just show y'all. So that's what, as you can see, is nowhere near my color, but that's what it looks like. This is the hairline. I might go in and pluck it a little bit. I probably will go in and pluck it a little bit, but I am going to dye this wig. It's not going to stay this color. Y'all won't get to see me in it like this because I bought it specifically to color it. So I might try it on before I color it, but I'm not gonna cut the lace off. So y'all won't see me in this wig like this without the lace on, because I want to keep the lace on for when I'm coloring it, because I am probably going to bleach the lace or try to a little bit, hopefully. But those are my cons, those are my pros. I do like it. I do like it. I just wish it was thicker than what it is. I want to say, hold on, let me see if they got the inches on here. No, they don't. It's just care instructions. Let me see. I think it's 22. If I'm not mistaken, it's 22 inches. And I believe it looks like it might be like a wave, like have a body wave to it. But I'm not going to really know until I wash it. Ooh, that glare. I'm so sorry, y'all. But yeah, it looks like it's a body wave because of the way it waves at the bottom and kind of in the middle. But I am going to record another video. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm out of breath. Y'all see this big old thing right here in front of me. I'm just, whew, he got me tired. But yes, I am going to go ahead and dye this. And this most likely, 9 times out of 10, will be the wig that I'm wearing on the day that I go into labor or, you know, go into the hospital. Because the colors that I chose was basically for him. So I can't explain to y'all the colors that the way I want to dye it. Like, I can't even explain it. But y'all gonna see it in the next video. It's gonna be real cute though. But yeah, I like the ends don't look bad. Let me get up close. The ends don't look bad, but it is a bleached wig, so I mean it's not gonna be smooth and perfect, because anything that's blonde has been processed, so you can't expect for it to be like, oh, Malaysian natural. No. The only thing that's really blowing me is these filler hairs, like, and it's crazy because it's not back here. The filler hairs are not back here. They're just right here and right here where the middle part is. That's weird. But yeah, it does part in different ways. So I'm definitely gonna be parting it in a different way because them filler hairs bother me. Look at them, just flying, doing their own thing. Cray. But whatever. So yes, y'all, this is the wigs. Tell me how y'all like it. Her imports, you know, take a little notes if you're watching this video. Thicken the wig a little bit, a lot of bit, and get the filler hairs together, because don't nobody want these little dumb filler hairs. They're retarded, but whatever. It's a nice wig so far. We'll see how it takes to the coloring, how it takes to the process, and we'll go from there. So if y'all want to see me color it, just, you know, watch the next video, and I'll see y'all in my next one.